Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So I know Hot Wheels did a Ferrari 250 GTO in their premium, which is really hard to find. But I saw this, looks like a premium from Bburago. It's a 1964 GTO in 1:64 scale. And from the first look, looks to be really nice. So I had to get this one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. By the way, it came in this beautiful display box, and you can see it looks really good. They have used screws in the bottom, so let me open that and take out the casting. So have a quick look at this beautiful Ferrari 250 GTO, and then we will deep dive into the details. And by the look of it, I think Bburago has done a great job, especially in 1:64 scale, and I'm looking forward to getting more castings like this from them. So here's the Ferrari 250 GTO, and it absolutely looks gorgeous, I would say. Now, starting from the front, first thing you'll notice is this beautiful paint. The blue with yellow looks really good. You've got a lot of good details. As you can see, headlamp is like nicely done. You've got the grille with the Ferrari badge, running lamps. You've got some vents here. Number 112, and you can see the bulge in the hood too, and then some more hinges, I would say. Here there is detail around the windshield, the chrome finish. You got both the windshield wipers there, so a lot of good details in the front. Now on the driver's side, again the nice details continue. You can see there's a mirror, number 112. Door handle is again detailed. Got some vents here, rubber tires with those nice looking spoke wheels. Looks really good. I would say looks really nice. And well, this is the classic shape, right? And you're absolutely gonna adore it. Looks really good. Cars these days have to follow so many safety and everything. They can't design the way they used to. It looks beautiful. You look at this shape. On the back, again some nice details. As you can see, painted tail lamp. The yellow stripe continues. Quad exhaust, which is also finished in chrome. Rear window also has chrome details, and so does the fuel filler. You can also see the keyhole for the trunk. A lot of good details here. Looks really good. You can see from the top. Passenger side, almost identical. Looks really good. No mirrors though. This is how the base looks. So there are some details, not a lot, but there are some details. I like the rubber tires and the wheel combination on this one. Interior is finished in black. As you can see, there's some details in the interior too. As if you look closely, you can see the steering wheel is done nicely. So are the seats. Overall, I think it's a nice, I would say nice attempt by Bburago. It looks really good, especially in this scale. There are very few options, I would say, for the older casting, and most of them are really pricey. This one was just a bit more than Hot Wheels Premium, so still very comparable when it comes to the price, and I think it's a good option if you're looking to getting some of these castings. I'm not sure what other options are available, might have to check their website, but this definitely looks good, looks really nice, and I think it's a good addition to any 1:64 collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Oh, I forgot to talk about base. I don't know if it's metal, but looks like metal. Might be plastic, I'm not sure. Actually, it looks more like plastic. It might be plastic. The base might be plastic, not sure. Yeah, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.